Okay. So refraction, for that we need what? Incident ray. What is incident ray now? What is incident ray? A ray which falls, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is my screen lagging?
Falls on the surface.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I think you only wrote incidentally, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Then it's not lagging.
A ray which falls on a surface.
Yes, sir.
Then what is refracted?
So I think it's a little line. Refracted ray means the ray of light which
Passes from second medium. Passes in second medium.
yes,
A ray
changes
which,
its direction
yeah.
from the first medium
A
to
ray
second
which
medium.
falls on the surface, then a ray which is passing in second medium or traveling in second medium. That is refracted.
Yes, sir.
In the second medium. That is refracted ray. After main, see, just now we saw here this one. This is first incident ray, first medium. It's traveling in second medium. That is refracted. So when is happening? After refraction. In that case, it was reflected ray. So what is difference? What is difference between refraction and reflection? Yes, someone?
So screen, I can't see anything. So 1 minute. Sir, it's so refracted ray. It's hello.
Yes. Hello? Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so what is difference between refraction and reflection?
Sir, reflection means bouncing back of light, whereas refraction means it changes the direction, sir. Like when
Yeah,
it travels from one medium to the other.
so it changed the medium. Yes, good. Okay. So what about you three? Are you there? Ananya, Inaya, and Tanvi?
Yes, so that only.
Okay. What about Inaya and Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You're there, right? Okay. Okay. So let's draw this medium, which we drew previously. So in that there is a, suppose water is another medium.
So water is one medium and air is another, right?
Yeah, air is another medium and water is another medium. So there are two mediums. So for that we need to make one normal ray. Normal ray. Now, normal ray, what is normal ray actually? Why it is called normal? What do you mean by normal ray?
So
Which,
the line drawn perpendicular to the surface.
Yes, which is perpendicular to the surface. Ray perpendicular to the surface. Now we'll draw one incident ray. Now another ray which is refracted. And angle between them is called
Incident ray.
no, angle.
Yeah, okay. Angle of incidence. So it's right?
Yeah, correct. 1 second. Some student is calling. Okay, just to give me a moment. Some students are not able to join. Sender. Okay, just you draw your incident ray till then and reflected ray. I'll just post a message there. Can you all see, right?
Yes, sir.
So as this is what? Incident ray. Angle of incident, refracted ray.
Yes, sir. Marks. Sir,
Yeah.
what is that blue dots or so, like lines or dots?
These are water.
Sir?
Water.
Okay, sir, got it.
This is water and this is air.
Okay.
It's traveling from one medium to another.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what is angle of incident? How can we define angle of
The
incident?
angle between incident ray and normal.
Yes, angle between normal and incident ray. Then what will be refracted ray? Sorry, angle.
The angle between the refracted ray and normal.
Exactly. Fine. Okay. Now, what is the cause of refraction? How does it happen? Why it is happening here? Why this is
The cause of
refraction? Why it is happening here?
I think because of the change in direction.
Change in direction. Yes.
Change in position.
Position, speed, so many things, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's write one by one.
Sir, force.
Force, maybe. Let's think. Does force have any effect on this one? Maybe not.
Okay, sir. I think it's no force because.
Okay. So first we can
Change
say
in velocity.
when light, excuse me, when light crosses the boundary from one medium to another medium, right? So it deviates. And this same thing we are writing when the light.
Sir, your screen is stuck, sir.
The screen stuck.
No, sir, it's clear.
For me, it is stuck, sir.
Maybe it will be clear in the second.
Yes, sir. Now I got it.
Light crosses the boundary. Now, what is boundary here? This black color is the boundary of air. It's traveling from air to water. That is our boundary. Crosses the boundary.
Sir, or can we write changes the medium?
Yeah, you can write changes the medium also.
Okay, sir.
Different medium. So what happens then? It deviates. See there? The diagram you can see it deviates from the original path. From the path, resulting refraction. Yes. Refraction. So because of that change in refraction, because of this, there is a change in wavelength also. Wavelength and speed, as you said, velocity. Okay. By the way, what is wavelength? What do you mean by wavelength?
The speed in which the light will travel, light or sound will travel.
Sir, can you repeat?
I'm asking, what is wavelength? I said here, change in wavelength. Okay, then what is a wavelength?
So the wavelength is something
Sir, or the length of the reflected ray?
Length of the reflected ray, not like that. Just wavelength itself is length. Wavelength. Name in this name it's like that. Wave length. Can you please? Thank you. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, no problem. So in name itself, wave length. So length of a wave. Okay. So
what's a wave?
that's what like wave name suggests. Its name suggests length of a wave. A wave length.
What's a wave, sir?
Okay. Like have you studied like sound? In that, oh, sorry, your voice broke. What did you say?
What does wave mean?
Oh, you're asking wave only, right? Okay. So have you studied sound? So in that,
the sound will travel.
Yeah.
In the form of waves.
Yeah, sound travels in the form of wave. There are like
But
okay, so like sound waves, sound wave vibration.
Yeah.
In the
Yes.
sound and the light, sir.
Yes. Simply if I draw here, this is transverse wave. Okay. and these are longitudinal wave. These are a form of waves, how to draw a wave, fine. But if I say wave means one complete oscillation of this wave, that is one cycle. So length of this cycle is length of one wave. It is wavelength denoted by lambda.
Sir,
Hello, yeah, can you hear me right? Hello, oh my god, this internet is stuck. Oh god. Just a second, let me just change network. Oh, it's correct only. What's happening? Can you see my screen or it's frozen?
sir, you stopped after sound, the two waves, how we can show sound.
Okay. No, that I was not speaking. I was just my screen froze. That's why. Okay. So as I was saying, wave. Wave is like what we see here. It's up and down here, right? Motion of up and down. It is just a disturbance. Disturbance from one place to another. Or in simple words, if this is confusing, in simple words, if in a lake is like silent, right? It's not, it's steady, it's stagnant. So if I drop a stone, so what will happen? There will be formation of ripple around it. So if I see this ripples on a side view, this is top view. If I see this ripple on the side view, it will be like this. It is in form of wave. So from there we got a name as wave. So what is it? It's a disturbance from place to place. Disturbance from place to place. It is regular, right? It isn't regular disturbance. It is regular disturbance from place to place. Yeah. So that was about wave. Is this clear or shall I give you some more?
It's clear, sir.
Sir, no, I didn't understand.
You didn't? Okay, some other way. Let's see some other way. Now, as I give you example, like have you tried? Have you been in lake or some pond, which is like where water is stagnant, like steady? It's not like moving easily,
Yes, sir.
right? If you throw a stone in that, so what will happen?
Almost the because of the vibration of the stone, the whole lake will get
Yeah.
vibrated.
Exactly. That vibration is in form of wave. If I draw that vibration, it is this way. Let me show you a picture. Wait. Ripple. Ripple in a lake. Yeah. See, I got good picture. This is called ripple. Is my photograph clear or shall I increase the size? Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
It's clear, sir.
Okay. So if you see its center, it is like forming like this, and still more, like same way more. Now this is a top view, or I can say like side. Now it's not like side view. If I see inside, it will be forming like this. See, first one small, then down, then again small, then again down, small and down. If I see here, if I draw that here, it will be in form this way. This, can you see this here? Again down, again this one down. Are you able to observe this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is, from this way we got an idea. Okay, that is a wave. Let's name it as wave. It is in regular form. See, it is regular form until that energy stops, until it will be regular. Until that it will be regular. So that ripple formation is a wave. Simple example of wave. So in short, it is a regular disturbance. So it is a disturbance. Lake was like this, we disturbed. So it is regular disturbance. See here. Provided that energy is getting over after a few minutes, again it will be same way, same manner how it was here after a few minutes. But still, we are not considering that. We are just seeing what is the shape here. That's what it is, forming in regular disturbance. If you observe this, so we gave a name, wave, and shape is this, what you see here. So in short, it is regular disturbance. Okay. Is this much clear?
Yes, I understood it a lot more better and it's fully clear.
Okay. Then let's write second point. What we wrote first point, when light crosses boundary between two different medium, it deviates from path, resulting refraction, which changes what? Wavelength and speed of light. Now, when it changes speed of light, what will happen? Dispersion. Right? We'll see that first. Let's finish this cause of refraction, then we will go to dispersion. Let's write second point. So the frequency, if wavelength is changing, then frequency will be also affected. Frequency of refraction or refracted ray. See here. Refracted ray. Now what will happen to this one? Will it change? Will it be constant? What is frequency, by the way? What is frequency? Do you know frequency? We saw here some occurrence here, right? We saw some disturbance here. So I can say frequency means number of this cycle in a time, in a unit time, or per unit time. That is frequency. But is it affecting this one? Think of it. See, we saw here its wavelength is this this lambda we saw here. Wavelength is length of the wave. One wave here we saw. So this has no effect on frequency actually. It's not related to frequency now. How many cycles in time? No relation. So reflected ray remains constant. Now let's say effect. What are effect of refraction? Have you seen twinkling?
So what?
Do you know twinklings of star? Twinklings of star.
Yes, sir.
So how does it happen? Due to atmospheric refraction.
There is
Twinkling of star.
atmospheric reflection, effect of refraction.
Yeah, no. Oh, I said like atmospheric refraction. It is due to.
Sir, can you access me in the another device?
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is due to.
Now,
Yes, yes. Ask.
so you said that the twinkling stars are due to this atmospheric reflection.
Refraction.
Refraction. Is it the effect of refraction?
Yeah, it is refraction only. See, like if you observe everything around you, it's atmosphere, right? An atmosphere has many layers. We don't have like single layer atmosphere. We have many layers of atmosphere. So light from stars, when it reaches to us, it is refracted many times because in that we have so many mediums. In atmosphere we have so many mediums. So it might be rarer to denser or denser to rarer multiple times. It has to move so many times. So that's why it's sometimes visible here, sometimes it's visible here. So it's like blink of the second it's happening. So that makes twinkling. That makes star. It's not actually twinkling. Due to this atmosphere, it is happening. Our atmosphere. Even we saw mirage formation last class. Remember?
Yes, sir. We have learned about
Yeah.
mirror formation. Reflection, like for example, if sunlight falling on river, we can see ourselves like the mirror.
Exactly.
Like for artificial, the tube light will fall on the mirror so that we can see.
Exactly. Okay. So
Sir, can we have quiz at the end of the class?
sure. We already had no last
So
class.
what is the first word of
Sir,
second?
like
Did we had on last class?
in app. No, sir. Like we told you that there is a like quiz
Okay,
in
okay.
quiz.com like that.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. What were you asking?
What is the first word of the second point?
Mirage. M-I-R-A-G-E.
MIRAGE.
Yeah. Or illusion. It's optical illusion. This is what due to optical optical illusion. Okay. Dispersion of light through prism. Dispersion of light through prism. So let's draw a prism. Okay. A ray striking here will refract, right? So what will happen here? It's a white light. This is the white light. Okay, after this chapter, this is like last topic. After this chapter, what do you want? Which chapter you want?
Which chapters are left? Like what chapters are like we'll go according to the chapters, right?
Sir, I have few questions and few chapters.
Sure.
I'll let you. I'm actually out of town, so I don't have the textbook currently. In the next class, I have few doubts. Will you clarify them in physics?
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, but what are the general like because we have different syllabus here, right? We have some ICSE board. we have some
Then
state
can
board.
we start heat?
Heat you want? Okay, we can start heat.
Yes, sir. Heat.
Do everyone have
Because
heat?
I think yes, sir, I think we'll
Sir, I
have it
don't
in
have
final
new
exam.
chapters, sir. I just have sound, light, solar stars and the solar system and physics.
Okay. So do everyone have sound?
I mean, some natural phenomena in physics, sir.
So yes, sir, we do have sound.
What about you, Harshita?
Sir, I don't have sound, sir.
Oh, you don't have sound.
Sir, even me.
You knew. Okay. So just tell me what are general topic for like. Let's ask each and everyone so we can conclude. Okay, what are topics we have? Because this is our last topic. We can just finish it.
So I guess the solar system is there for everyone.
Yes, sir. Solar system is our last chapter for the finals.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. For us also, it's not there.
Okay.
Sir, or you can revise one topic in one class so that even if we don't have for the exam, it will be a revision for us.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We can do that also.
So, but I
Okay.
have many doubts in sound
Okay, sound,
and
What?
solar system.
sound and solar system. Okay. Okay. What topic do you have for your exam, Harshita?
So can we do
actually-
physical quantities and measurement?
Sorry, what? Say again.
Physical quantities and measurement.
Okay.
So actually for us the portion is not yet given, but our search said that heat will be there compulsory because it's the new chapter of our term 2 exams, after our term 2 exams.
Okay. Heat
Yes.
is there.
I have heat.
So you both have heat.
Sir, but I don't have heat. The chapter itself is not in my book
Yeah, it's CBSE board. No, that's right.
because our school uses Exceed books.
It's exit book. Okay.
So we use NCERT textbooks.
Okay, you used NCERT textbook. What about you, Inaya? What topic you have out of this? Any other topic?
For exams, sir.
Yeah, for exam.
So we actually have physics and bio also, bio and chem. So they're like different topics for each. For physics right now, we are going with refraction only, and for chem, I think we're going for pH.
Okay. What are next topic for physics? That's what I'm asking.
So reflection and refraction are going on right now. I'll check and get back at you.
No problem. Okay. What about you, Tanvi? These are our common topics which we are going to discuss. If there is anything else, we will add it. Fine.
Yes.
So can we do even electricity?
Yes, electricity. Let's add one more, electricity.
So electric charges.
Yeah, in that I will include electric charges, electricity, everything. Okay. Fine. So let's come back to our dispersion of light through. I'm sorry.
So in electric charges, will you like discuss all of the charges, like how current passes through draw?
Yeah, we'll discuss that.
So
Yes.
am I
Yeah, you are audible. You're perfectly audible.
okay?
No, I'm busy in drawing. So so what are these? What are these things?
So the colors, sir.
Yeah,
Spectrum.
colors, spectrum. Yes,
Call it a spectrum.
So withdraw.
yes. VIBGYOR.
Which is nothing but these rainbow colors.
Yeah.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Green. Blue. Actually, this refraction happened at this place, not in this place, but I drew this way. Okay, I don't have violet, so I'm just writing it here.
So you can use dark blue or purple.
No, it's not here. I don't have in this one. Okay. So actually refraction is happening from this point. Okay, but I drew from here. It's happening actually both sides. See, first refraction here, because it's and changing medium. See, wherever it, I'm sorry, wherever it changed medium, that means there is a refraction. There is a phenomena happening which is refraction. Understood? Keep one thing in mind. Wherever it is changing medium, even your specs, if you're wearing specs, there is a light changing medium, because air to your glass and again glass to air. So that is refraction. So fix this in mind. Then wherever there is a change in medium, that is refraction phenomena occurring. So what is dispersion of light? Splitting of of white light into 7 colors. Now these 7 colors are constituent color. Constituent color of white. We give a name as WeXL in short. So now how to form this one? We need one screen here so that we can form image or forming of rays. We can obtain on screen. White color we cannot see, but if there are in red, yellow, orange, we can identify, okay, this is WeXL.
So generally in a normal and natural rainbow that we see, it only contains red, blue and green. The rest of the colors are hiding behind. The white light is nothing but the sun. The water is the rain.
Exactly.
Or conditions to form the rainbow. The conditions.
So yeah, you said correct. Other colors won't be visible.
This the
perfectly.
rain in rainbow raindrops act as a prism, sir.
Exactly. So in rainbow,
And the sun also acts like a white, this bright light.
rainbow drop acts as a prism. Okay. So do you have any
Sir,
doubt?
can we have quiz now?
Exactly. I was about to say that. So before that, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt.
Okay, just let me make a quiz here. Just generating. Just a second. Okay, just.
So you were discussing this topic in the last class also. In the class questions, I was the only one who was answering the almost all the questions because you explained the topic which like my teacher didn't refer too much.
It's good. You learn, right?
Yes.
I'm getting proper quiz here. Wait a second. Okay. Yeah. These are 20 questions.
What, sir?
This will be the 20 questions.
Okay, sir.
I'm just sharing in Nectar. Just a second.
So what are you doing, sir? Like, are you playing the quiz or?
No. Yeah, we are going to have quiz here. Just pasting in our chat box.
Okay, sir.
Join. Everyone quickly join. Once you joined, once everyone joined, just start them.
Okay, sir. I'm joining, sir.
Yeah. So write your name here. What about others? Other
So just give me 1 minute, sir. I'm joining.
okay. 4, 5.
So just give me 1 minute. I'm joining.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, I think Nityasri.
Yeah,
So
biology.
yeah, so it said your game is done. You have to reattempt. So that's the reason I did it. So mine actually, my one Nityasri has a shark picture on it, vomiting shark.
Okay.
Can you just remove that?
So I'm just writing my name, sir. I'm almost joining.
Sir, you kicked out me.
Okay. Did I?
Can you also remove that one? I'll join again.
Yeah, sure.
Remove that one too, sir. I'll join another
I
one.
removed.
Sorry, sir. for that.
No problem. Done. These are only 20 question, very easy question, and only 20, right? 5 minutes is enough, I think so. What do you say?
So there is
Yes, sir.
someone for grade 8 with a.
Yeah, that's me. That's me. Yeah. Here it go. Once you all are done, just tell me. I'll end it. Okay, I'll be back. I'll drink water and come. Are we done?
Sir, actually, I logged out because that phone's battery was low. I'm joining through another device in the quiz. Yes, I joined.
No problem. Join.